everybody. Here we are at Famu, and we're developing this game. It's a horror game right now. And notice that we're using Unity, and we have a lot of cool features in here like artificial intelligence, sound upon collision, and we have our hero character that is smaller but can leap over other characters, like this bad enemy right here. You see, notice that we have a chain link fence, but that fence is actually thin as a single polygon, and look at the cool detail in the shadow. And also we have some cool bloom effect. You can see that because you see how bright the guy's yellow jacket is. So you see there's a lot of cool effects in here. So we'll be doing this, and that is the plan for our games development here at FAMU. Pretty sweet. I'll see you soon.